or may not have fallen down a bit of an internet hole searching out on the research fuck. Oh, one more time. Hey. Okay.
How's that make you feel? You like that eye contact?
Hi, I'm a pile of shit. It's like, hi. That an Amidio Avogadro, I cannot say his name. In 1811, Amidio which led to the correct Amidio Avogado. Hi, my name's Avogado. Amidio Avogado proposed in 1811 that hi, my name's Rachel. How you doing? Fuck. Useful in determining what? But Avogadro's not the one that came up with the horrid term mole. Ew. Oh, reasonable. Equal volume. What would have? His hypothesis proved useful in determining molecular. His hypothesis. Fuck. The chemist. Ostwald. Oh my fuck. And it's dark out. Okay, neighbors, do not look at me, please. Thank you very much. Wow.
That's not true at all.
Hypothesis. One to blame for all this. Amidio Avocado. Fuck the avocado, Rachel. Oh, it's so destroyed. Fuck. He was simply the one.
I think the fuck not.